Morning Streeters. Now, been up to Woolies again this morning, grabbing a few things as normal. Now, you know what I'm like. I see something new, I'm going to try it. Malteser Big M. Now, going to try this out and see what it's like. Now, because it's in a clear bottle, don't need to show you what it's looked like, but delicious. Now, the Mars bar one was good. That tastes like I'm eating a Malteser. Bloody delicious. Big M, keep going, make these flavours. They're awesome. Try it. Do yourself a favour, guys. Try it. It's awesome. Remember, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's up here somewhere. Check out our other videos up here and down here, wherever our editor's going to put them. And catch you on the next one.